you get the best, the most amazing views of the Boston Bay. You also see a little greenery as well. So it's a mix of ocean and garden views, but mainly it's the ocean view.
So am I in like a tree house type thing?
Yes, yes, it is a tree house. Well, not all of them. We have one that is a hut. That one is flat.
This looks really nice. Do you guys use local vendors to do everything, or how does it work? Do you import your stuff?
No, in terms of the artwork and so forth, no man. Most of the artwork, the furniture, they're all made locally. Local artists.
Kareem's Quest. Travel different from the rest. You're watching Kareem's Quest. It's always an adventure when you're watching Kareem's Quest. Today's adventure has me searching for Great Huts, a treehouse type resort that is located in the Boston Bay community in Portland. To ensure I was on the right path, I stopped at the Jerk Center and asked one of the vendors if Great Huts was close by. He pointed down the road and told me to continue on my journey. And finally, I saw the location.
Behind me is Great Huts Resorts, a lovely place in Boston, Portland. Now, it's very rustic and it's really for persons who are nature lovers. Let me see if anybody is on the inside. And this is the bell.
Hello, Kareem's Quest. Come
go
on in. Welcome to Great Huts.
All right.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm doing very good.
Nice.
Sharika, so where do you want us to go first?
All right, let's show you the restaurant.
All right then.
Yes.
And this place, right? How long ago was it built?
We've been around for 24 years.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That's a long time.
Yes.
Is this a popular spot for locals?
Yes.
Because can persons come if you're not a guest? Can you come here and dine?
Yes, yes. The restaurant is open to the public. We also do day passes. So, you know, if you're not staying overnight, you can come for a day pass as a local, or even if you are not a local but staying elsewhere, you can still come.
I did breakfast here. I tried the fried dumpling, what we call Johnny cake. And listen, we are in Portland. If you know anywhere or if you are from Portland, write something in the comment section. Let us know. And let us know some of the adventure places that you must go in Portland when you're staying here. So I tried the fried breadfruit, the Johnny cake, the callaloo, right?
Yes.
That's their Jamaican dish?
Well, it's not the same every day.
Okay.
It changes. Tomorrow is Sunday. You get ackee and saltfish tomorrow.
For all my viewers who want to know about the accommodations, skip to the chapter on rooms. Now back to the walkthrough. Sharika continued to show me around the dining area when I spotted a bar and immediately remembered I did not ask her anything about the hotel drinks.
So Sharika, every place normally have a signature drink. Is there any here?
Well, if you come here, definitely ask for the rum punch. Try our rum punch. Because you know Jamaica is known for the rum.
Okay.
Right? And we make a really good rum punch.
All right, nice. Love that.
You should try that
one.
one.
I hear about fever grass.
Oh, we have this really cool drink that we do with the lemongrass. We make an iced tea with it.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's kind of seasonal too, you know.
Okay.
So it's usually our welcome drink when we have it.
All right.
We then made our way downstairs to the reception area, which also doubles as a library. But I couldn't stop looking at this chill spot beside it.
It's called Marcus Garvey Garden up here. You'll find that we have a lot of, you know, little sitting area where you can just chill, relax. You see, we have a hammock. If that's their vibe for the day, you just come and chill, read, you know.
Okay, and I noticed you guys do as much as possible to preserve nature.
Yes, that we do. We don't cut our trees. We build around the trees. Yeah.
Okay. All right. So let me just continue to explore the place. I really like this place. Tell me, do you guys prefer like places like these or places like all-inclusive resorts? Write it in the comment section. Let me know. Share with the community. I love the fact that you guys are sharing with the community. And remember, you can get my free magazine, Explore Jamaica, on my website, kareemsquest.com. You can look at different places like these that I recommend to you guys, all right? And there's a lovely view. I'd love if the camera person could come up here and just get this view of, I love how the restaurant looks from this angle, Sharika.
Nice.
Don't it?
Yeah.
This looks really nice. Do you guys use local vendors to do everything, or how does it work? Do you import your stuff?
No, in terms of the artwork and so forth, no man. Most of the artwork, the furniture, they're all made locally. local artists.
Really?
Yeah, especially
so behind, so like even right here is what is this? Is this local too?
Yes, this is made by Sylvester. Sylvester is from, I think, Montego Bay. I think Sylvester is from Montego Bay.
Really?
Oh, wait.
Oh my
Negril.
God. He's from Negril.
Westmoreland.
Okay, Westmoreland.
Westmoreland.
Well, we can't go wrong because Negril is in Westmoreland, so we can't go wrong.
Yeah,
Okay.
Sylvester is from that
So
side.
he makes these?
Yes, yeah.
Wow, and all of this?
Yeah, all of the clay pots and the clay statues, they're all Sylvester's.
So that's Marcus Garvey right there. And that's really nice. All right, we're going to be showing you all. I'm going to carry around all the property. Come in, let's go. Let us go.
Let's go.
Thank you for being a lovely host, co-host for me.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
How am I doing so
See,
far?
how is she doing? If she's doing a good job, she was a little bit nervous, you know.
Very much.
But I told her that she's a natural, right? So write in the comment section if she's doing a good job, please. I was happy that Sharika told me so much about the property, but I really wanted to know about the rooms. This is the walkway now that you're going to use to get to the rooms. Now, there are some rooms that are on the cliff. So these rooms are basically on the cliff.
Yes.
Great Huts truly captures nature in its best elements, because to get anywhere, you have to walk through different trails. And as we walked, the subject changed and I asked about the various trees on the property, and whenever I saw a scenic spot, we had to divert and explore it.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. What is that beach that I'm looking at?
That's Boston Bay.
That's Boston Bay?
Yeah.
Oh.
This is it. This is the spot where I'm going to stop and talk about the rooms.
Sharika, tell me a little bit about the rooms.
All right, we have different categories of rooms. Safari Chic, that's where you're staying.
Okay.
That's our premium rooms. Those are the ones that are on the edge of the cliffs. Then we also have Royal Africans.
Can we just go a little bit? So you just said something, edge of cliff,
Yes.
right? So what do you see when you're looking out?
Well, you get the most amazing views of the Boston Bay. You also see a little greenery as well. So it's a mix of ocean and garden views, but mainly it's the ocean view.
So am I in like a tree house type
Yes, yes, it is a tree house. Well, not all of them. We have one that is a hut. That one is flat, but mainly a tree house.
A tree house?
Yours is a tree house. You're in a tree house. You're
Soak up the sun on pristine beaches, ride horses through the ocean, feel the zipline rush. With Kareem's Quest Tours, discover Jamaica's hidden gems, find amazing places to stay, and learn the secrets of our island plans. Your unforgettable adventure awaits.
on the edge. You're looking out. You also get to see our private beach as well. So you get that view.
Okay.
Your neighbors, bamboo tree, they get the view of the private beach as well. So
So you guys have access to a private beach here?
Yes. Yes. We'll show it to you soon too.
All right, so tell me about that room, because I'm sitting in the room, so I need to know as much information about the room as possible.
Yeah.
All right, so do I have like a fridge, a mini fridge or anything like
Yes, you do.
Like it does have a downstairs or upstairs and things?
Yes. Yes.
Really?
The bedroom is on the upstairs, and then downstairs we have a bunk bed, 2 bunk beds.
Yeah.
So that one is suitable for families with two kids.
Okay.
Families with kids really love that one. Then you have the private bathroom that gives you another really great view because you know they are basically open, right? So we call them open air. And you're just looking out in nature. You're seeing all of the ocean view, the garden views while you're showering.
So listen, my understanding is that you have to be comfortable with that type of setting, in the sense that you are going to, well, nobody can really see you, right?
No,
Nobody can see you, but it's still an open type rustic thing.
Yes.
So for the persons who are kind of afraid of like bed bugs and things like that, do you guys have canopies or anything like in terms of like flying
nets.
bugs? Okay.
The nets. All the beds, we have nets on all beds. You know, for the mosquitoes, we have the mosquito coils. We have incense as well. And then we're trying this new thing where we're doing with coffee and cloves. So that's natural.
Yeah. Repellent.
Yeah, you know. And then we also encourage you to carry your spray,
Okay.
and we sell the natural ones at our gift shop too.
Okay.
And if you're in like our public areas and you're being bothered, then we offer that to you complimentary.
Okay.
Yeah.
Persons, if anybody who is watching has ever been to Portland or you live in Portland, also give us your tips in terms of place of attractions that we can stay in Portland while we're staying at places like these that we can actually visit in Portland. So that's one room. Tell me about the next room now.
All right. Then let's go to our Royal Africans. So those are the AC rooms.
Okay.
Because you have people who would want to come, but they just love the AC. So we have that category of room for them as well. And tell you what, Kareem, in every room, Royal Africans is 4 rooms, but in every room, they're all different. There's no 2 rooms that are the same. Okay. Any category at all. In Safari Chic where you are, the rooms are different. Everything, different design, from the artwork, and how everything is arranged. So they're not standard rooms, they're all unique.
So the Royal Room, that's like a structured building then?
Yes.
With
that's
AC?
Enclosed concrete. That's our concrete structure.
Because where I'm going to stay is like a hut though, it's like a tree house.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So that place is there like a pool there and so forth?
At the Africana house?
Yeah.
Oh yes. Yeah, man.
Pool.
You get the Lotus pool. We have 2 pools. The Lotus pool is the bigger one. That's by Africana house. It's 4 bedrooms. It's a villa. 4-bedroom villas. You can take one of the rooms, or you can take the entire house. But if you have a group of friends or family, but if you want to do a retreat, you can take the Africana house exclusively. You get a chef, and you get your daily housekeeping, and the pool and all that area is just yours. You get exclusive access to the pool, the kitchen, the great room, which are usually common spaces if the house is not rented exclusively.
All right. Yeah. Continue with the other rest of places now.
Then we have Comfortably Rustic. That's also really nice. Those are huts and tree houses as well. They give you ocean view, garden view.
You know what I like about this place? I recognize that you have a nice panoramic view of the ocean that's behind, of the sea that's behind us, right? In almost every type of room.
Yes. Yeah. Well, you should see it from African Sunrise.
What's African Sunrise now?
That's one of the Safari Chic rooms. It's 3-story. It's a tower.
It's a tower. Okay,
and it gives panoramic view all the way around, all the way. All the windows, you can open them up.
This must be a nice location to watch the sunrise.
Oh, trust me, it is. You should see it from African Sunrise.
That's why I named African Sunrise.
You should see it from there. It is.
Okay, and let me know, for those of you who are watching, do you prefer like all-inclusive hotels, or do you prefer like rustic hotels like these? And tell me why in the comment section, please, in terms of what's your preference, because I always use your comments to help guide me to create more content. So share with me in terms of if you like places like these, or if you prefer places that are, more advanced, like, some of the all-inclusive hotels, and give me a reason why.
After sitting down for so long, I was eager to start touring the rest of the property.
It's a chill area first, and then we also use it for massages and on spa treatments.
Can somebody rent this space?
You rent the house, you get the space.
Okay, gotcha.
It's usually a common area, but once we have guests for their privacy, it's just for the guests that are in this house.
Okay.
We also use it too for like private romantic dinners as well. Yeah.
So if you come here and if you have a small gathering, I guess you can get your own bartender.
Yeah.
Catering to you.
Yeah.
While you're relaxing with your crew.
Yes.
The next spot we went to was this lovely boardwalk trail, which had us walking along the edge of the cliff.
So I can imagine, like, this must be a nice place for couples.
Oh yes, it is.
It's a nice trail.
Yeah, man, you can walk around you and your partner, just taking it all in.
Especially at the swing area.
Yes, there's also a swing area just up there where, a couple could sit down and just relax and talk and reason and take it all in.
Yeah. And what I love about places like these is that because it doesn't have a lot of distraction, it's like just nature. So you really have to slow down.
Yeah.
And just take in things for what they are, right?
Yes. Definitely.
I love that. This is a spot that you can also recommend to dine at. Like if you want your food, can you bring your food out here and sit down at like the swing on empty place there?
Any place that you would like to eat, we bring the food there for you. Yes.
This boardwalk, how long has this been in existence here, so? More than 5 years?
Yeah, man. More than 5 years I've been here. This is my 6th year. This boardwalk was here when I got here. Yeah.
I love when persons utilize the space and nature as much as possible, because at the end of the day, I mean, you're preserving the coral reef and you're also providing a lovely platform for people to come and enjoy themselves.
Yes, that's what we do here, Kareem. We don't disturb nature. Try to work around it.
And I was reading on your website that you have to bring you can bring a pitcher, or you bring like your water bottle also.
Oh, so that is part of our sustainable practices. That way we try to lessen plastic bottles, so we don't do the single-use plastic bottle water. So what we do for the rooms are we provide a pitcher, a reusable pitcher with 2 reusable drinking cups for you. And if you have your own reusable water bottle, you can just come for a refill.
Okay.
Because if you come and ask us for a bottle of water, we don't have any. We give you a glass of water. You give us back the glass, we use it again.
All right, cool.
After we finished talking, I went in search of the lovely beach that I was seeing from my room.
So Boston Beach is close to us here. You can just go up to the Jerk Center, take that left-hand turn, and you'll see that big beautiful gate.
I walked through the community once more with the jerk chicken aroma floating through the air. And just a couple meters down the road, I saw the location. First, I had to pass the car park. As I made my gradual descent, I admired how green and healthy the environment looked. I was told by Great Huts to ask for Dennis, the resident surf instructor who also grew up in the area.
Morning, which one we can find Dennis?
I say Dennis, the boy place do I see him boy place that morning.
Dennis, they used to always do surfing here?
Yes, surfing always going on here, man. Here is where surfing starts from.
Okay then. What's like the busiest days?
Busiest days like Saturdays and Sundays.
Okay then. You're getting a lot of families?
Yeah, mostly families we get here.
I noticed that they have surfboards for renting.
Yes. Yeah, we have surfboard here for rental. So if you can already surf, you can get a board to rent and you can go by yourself.
But what if for somebody who just want to relax? What's that like?
Well, if you want to relax, it's good here. We have some lounge chairs here. We can rent one if you want. If you want to lay on the sun, you can lay on the sun with your towel.
I can't help but notice, right? So Boston Jerk Festival is one of the biggest jerk festivals. How does this venue hold so much people?
Well, this used to be on the cliff over there.
Yeah.
But they move it and bring it here. But it's still wall because they use up top and the stage gonna be like right up here.
Yeah.
So a lot of people.
But you don't think that it's too small for the crowd that it start getting now?
Yeah, I think the venue is gonna be too small.
True. Cause I saw a video. People are fast sit down on some ledge and everything.
Yeah. And that was it when it just like started back.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. All right, so when you're coming to Boston Beach, I'm staying at Great Huts, and once you come into this area, it's a really nice area. What's the cost for entrance?
Cost for entrance is 500 Jamaican dollars.
Okay, and they can get surfing lessons from you?
Yeah, you can get.
As well as Jake. Them can ask for Jake too?
Yeah, you can always ask for Jake for surfing lesson and a boat tour if they want a boat tour as well.
Oh, where you carry persons too?
Well, we go normally carry person to like Blue Lagoon.
Okay.
And we go Frenchman Cove, Winifred Beach, and Sanko Bay.
Okay. What about the Monkey Island?
Yeah, the Monkey Island, yeah, we do over there. We have a limestone that we can get to rub on your skin as well over there.
Okay. All right, thanks so much.
When the conversation was over, I took my time walking through the lawn, still in awe of the good job they have done in keeping the place clean and well maintained. Once I exited the park, I journeyed on the sidewalk for a few minutes, then headed back to Great Huts and continued to explore the property.
I love taking you to different places across Jamaica because I always want you guys to get as much information as possible in terms of what really fits your needs, all right? And you can read all these reviews on my website, kareemsquest.com. Just look for the places to go, all right? Anything that fits you in terms of if you're an adventurer, if you just want to sit down and relax I mean, there are just so many different content that you can find, and I do consultations as well. So if you're trying to figure out, like, especially for some of my audience who are in the diaspora and they have not returned to Jamaica in a long time, and I'm trying to figure out where should we go, you can just book a consultation session. All right, it's on my website, kareemsquest.com. This was another great quest for me. It's Great Huts in East Portland, to be exact. Very nature-oriented place, very relaxing. What I love about places like these is that you don't have much distraction in terms of technology. So there's no TV. I mean, you do have Wi-Fi throughout the property, but there's nothing really to distract you from nature. You're more in an intimate setting with nature. You have to sit down, you have to be with your thoughts, you have to be with just, you know, what the universe and what the elements of life wants to say to you, so you can become back one with yourself. This was a relaxing tour for me. I love seeing places like these and how they preserve the environment. I was in a tree house and I love things like that. I mean, it's not everybody's cup of tea, but I love it personally because I'm hearing like the ocean just beat against the shore, and then the rainfall is just playing like a lullaby at night, you know, when it just falling on that zinc fence. And those of you who grew up in terms of old-time Jamaican home, you know what it is like when rain is falling on the zinc. It really feels nice and it really sounds nice as well. It's a relaxing atmosphere to be in, especially when you're trying to fall asleep. As usual, people, you're always welcome to join the quest. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. I did this lovely series on old-time Jamaica, really bringing back a lot of nostalgia vibes in terms of the JOS bus system, Paradise Plum, the different theaters like Ward Theater, Carib, Rialto, different places. All right, if it jog your memory, you just write something in the comment section. And if there's somewhere that you want me to go and to review, just write it as well in the comment section or send me an email. I usually try to get to all my email within like a 24-hour or probably a 3-day period, to be realistic, because sometimes I do get a flood of emails. Persons, it has been a pleasure hosting. All right, as usual, you're always welcome to join the quest.